This tailgate was hammered. Like somebody just took like a hammer to it. So we got the tailgate. We are grinding out the spots to fill in the holes. We have a little extra putty that's stuck here. We're actually going to put some fiberglass in them to try and fill it a little bit more. As well as we put these self-tappers in here to fill in. There were some holes here from the prior truck that it was on. I'm not exactly sure what they were for. Then we're going to grind the heads off and then fill over them, and that should take care of the holes. God, this stuff literally smells amazing. Get a little bit of the good here. Get that activator rolling. Start small. Sure, I like that idea. Hi, Candy. Hi. This is the main primer, right? The primer. Medallion.
Building primer.
The building primer. And this is
Hardener.
hardener. Oh yeah. Well guys, there we have it. The truck panels are done. The two fenders in the tailgate have their first coat of primer. Now, by all means, this is not the final coat of primer that they'll get. We just wanted to get these coated for the winter so they weren't going to rust. Still is some work to be done. You can see there's some smudge spots here from when we moved it to the basement. There's also some imperfections on the fenders as well. We still will sand and block these down one more time and throw another coat of primer on before we go ahead and paint and then clear them as well. I'm glad to say the shop truck project is finally underway. Being able to do this ourselves in the garage is a good thing. Budget friendly is exactly what we're looking for. My dad does this for a living, so a tremendous thank you to him. Where the truck stands now, it runs out of inspection in February. I do have a guy that inspects it. I might have to redo the duct tape that's on it to get it past inspection. Now, it may or may not pass inspection. As of now, the passenger side rocker panel is pretty much gone. I leaned against it the one day and it completely folded in, disintegrated, turned to dust, whatever you want to call it. So we're not 100% on if the truck's going to pass inspection or not. So if it doesn't pass inspection, that's fine. We plan on tearing into it in the spring-ish sometime anyway, so that'll be fine. I don't know. We'll find out eventually, but as of now, I have everything I need except a bed. I have fenders, front fenders. The hood on it's fine. I can replace anything else in the front, like the grill. I can just order stuff off of Rock Auto. Rocker panels, the only thing I need is a bed. I've been looking for months to try and find a decent bed, and I just can't seem to find one that's within reasonable distance from where I live. And I've considered to buy bedsides, but they're one, not in stock, and two, they want like $700-800 a piece, and I feel like I can find a decent sized bed within the price range it would cost. I'm not really looking to spend a couple $1,000s on a bed. Wouldn't be ideal, so we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching the beginning of the shop truck project. Super excited to be diving into this project finally. It is a lot of fun, I'm realizing, doing this kind of stuff, and I'm glad to be able to do it in-house and not have to outsource it. And it's a good project to start with and build my knowledge. So thank you guys very much for watching. Appreciate it very much, and we'll catch you in the next one. These things came a long, long way from where they were to where they are now. Super excited.